What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Grim G, back with another fragrance video for y'all. This was just going to be a very quick video. It's going to be an unboxing. I did just pick up my 6th fragrance from the house of Patek Maison, and it's from the Prisme or Prism collection. Yes, I am quite sure this is a feminine fragrance. I kind of knew that when I got it, but based on the notes, I kind of had to. This is a white floral, sweet coconut, lactonic, fruity fragrance. Okay, so let me unbox this for you, and I'm going to go over the notes, kind of first impressions here. I'm saying this house, so underrated. This house does not miss. Oh, before I really get started, though, I'm going to tell y'all, thank you for each of my returning subscribers. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. I know you all could watch all the other hundreds of influencers or reviewers as far as, you know, where you get your fragrance content from, but you still continue to support me. Thank you for over 1,000 subscribers. I will be doing my giveaway soon. I have not forgot that. I did have to pick which fragrance I want to throw in there. I decided to add a bonus. But when I'm ready to do that, when I order it and get it in, I will then have my giveaway and I will let y'all know. If you're new here and you're into fragrance-related content, do me a favor. Think about dropping a like, hitting that subscribe button. Really helps me out, helps your boy grow. I appreciate it. If not, you know, no worries. I'm not for everybody. I get that, and I'm cool with that. I actually kind of prefer that. But without further ado, I hope you're all doing well. Let's get into it. Now, presentation with this house and this line especially, always amazing. I kind of really enjoy their boxes. Once again, yes, based on the color and the name, Patek Maison Prisme Violette. I knew this was going to be feminine. Now, this is not... Ooh. Damn, this is not a true first impression. I did smell this at the store, which is why I spent the $110 on this. Show you all the atomizer here, if I can find it. Yep, there we go. Pretty good atomizer. I'm going to tell you right now, this is so good in the air. All right, top notes: gardenia, melon, pear, mandarin orange. In the mid, this is where it gets a little iffy for me. Jasmine, sambac, white ginger lily, and honey. So honey is kind of just a subtle in the background, like holding all this together. All right. In the base, you got coconut milk, tonka bean, and driftwood. This stuff smells so fruity and good in the air. As long as you are a confident man, you should be able to pull this off, no problem. But damn, I'll tell you what, that melon, pear, and mandarin orange combo right in the opening. This is one of the best fragrances that I have smelled in quite some time. Obviously, I just got it. I can't tell you about longevity. I can't tell you about sillage. I can tell you this smells damn good, though. Y'all should definitely check out the house of Patek Maison. This is the 3rd one I've got from the Prisme or Prism collection. I also have 2 from the Mirakai collection. And then I also have one, I don't even know what collection. It's called Luminous Ghost. It's a clone of Bond Number 9 Lafayette Street, and it does a damn good job. But as far as this goes, I mean, they tried to get me for, they said 190, and they said we can give it to you for 160. I said, shit. I told them, I said, I can get that for 80 all day. They said, well, we can do 110, no tax. So I went with that. I've not seen anyone else with this particular one, so the 80 might have been pushing it, but we did get it for 110. I'm saying this house is definitely some quality. I do enjoy this house. I like the presentation, and guys, if you want a nice, fun, fruity fragrance, this is one you're going to have to check out. Go to the mall, man. Have them spray it for you. Don't blind buy anything. But I am going to give this some wearings, give y'all, you know, compliment factor, longevity, all the above. But I just wanted to do a first impression because I was excited when I copped this today. Very good stuff so far. Now, as far as that coconut milk, I'm not huge on lactonic fragrances, so is it going to be a W, or did I just take a loss on this? Well, you know what? If it sucks after the opening, I'll just wash it off. Maybe, well, I don't think I'll sell this. This is just nice, man. If nothing else, I'll rock this shit to bed. But if you have any experience with Patek Maison, anything from the house, y'all want to drop some comments. I know some of my subscribers have told me I need to get the blue. I did smell the blue today. This one definitely caught my attention way more than the blue. Maybe I was feeling a little zesty today, just a little zesty. So I rocked this. I went with this. That's what I bought. That's what I spent my money on. No regrets for me so far. But I'll let y'all know. If you continue to like, comment, subscribe, I will continue to put y'all up on game. Make sure you are always the best smiling person in the room. And y'all have a good one.
Never ceases to amaze me. What cologne you gonna go with?